AI can replace jobs, AI can multiply your income, but nobody gives you perfect path to start. So then I decided to stop watching tutorials that I used to do and also followed a structured AI program path instead. And here is what happened. Hi, my name is Saumya and I'm a full-time remote worker, and I also wanted to upgrade my skills. So let me give a brief review about that. I'm a very competitive person and I want to open certain opportunities for me that are related to AI as well. I've been working from past 5 years in the IT industry, but there should be a curve that says that I'm growing, not like that I am steady and at one single place. So I decided to use a platform called Coursiv. Let me be really honest with you. So learning AI can be a bit more challenging, and it comes with a lot of things. Every day you see new tool, new expert saying new something, and it kind of overwhelmed me. And that is when I realized that it's not my cup of tea. So every day I used to keep thinking what is better for my career. I'm a tech professional. What could be beneficial for me rather than going here and there? Like there are so many directions to choose from. What is the exact direction that I need to grow? Like you also think, and similarly I also thought about same. So Coursiv positions itself as a platform to help you build your career in AI and master the advancement of tools in the AI to help you get better into the AI technology. What you can do is you can just learn AI in a simple and manageable steps with Coursiv. What I really liked about it is that lessons are really short and short goals are obviously going to be get achieved by you, and these are easy to follow, and this is my learning style as well. So it's designed as if you can give some time in your day, like whenever you want to. And if you're working professional or studying, you should not sit for long hours to study. It's very simple to go for, and it's best for someone like me who is already in a job. Step-by-step guides, interactive guides, and learning path is really easy, so it will not make you feel bored. Like a lot of courses are somewhere make us feel bored, and that's when we give up those courses, and when we realize that this is not something that we really want to do. A learning system that creates how you're progressing in the course. So you are learning every day something new and you are progressing in that course, and this is how it is designed for you only. You are not just following randomly. For example, you do yoga, but you also do yoga flow. So it's going in a flow and it's kind of making you progressive in that direction. Is how it gets, because I have tried it and I'm telling you my honest experience with it. Most important part of this Coursiv plan is that AI Mastery Challenge. Instead of chaos and all that goes here, you focus on specific tools day by day. This is not just theory that you should mug up. You will actually know how to use tools for marketing, for productivity, for earning, for digital work, and for automation, and how these tools you can use to build a better career. So this is how it will proceed. So things that professionals really care about, that how many people are using that platform. So there are thousands of learners from that platform only, and they have consumed millions of minutes of data from that platform, and they have practiced tons of AI prompts. Isn't it amazing to know? So there is clearly an active community, show certificate visual that you can also follow along, and after completing all the tracks you can also get the certification, and this is the most satisfying thing that I do. I never go for a course that does not have a certificate, because it kind of make me feel like I have achieved something, and you will get certification after you complete it. So if you really care about your professional growth and you really want to build your career and you want to grow in your life, so nothing can happen in seconds. You have to work hard for it, and for that you need to go through this Coursiv platform, because it really changed mine. So will that make you rich tomorrow, this Coursiv platform, following this all of this? I would say no, because I'm being honest here. But will it give you clarity of how you can do that, how you can actually separate yourself from masses? That eventually can happen if you follow all these things, because nothing is done in a single night. If you think you can, you can. And instead of feeling behind in all your daily meetings and all of that, you should start progressing. You should start learning. You should start learning AI. You should start from anywhere, and I would suggest you to go for this platform because I really loved it. Really recommend you this platform if you are new to your AI, because this is very beginner friendly, and if you want step-by-step approach, that is also there. If you feel overwhelmed with all the data that is being talked about AI and you want your professional growth, then you should definitely go for it and give it a try at least. So if you really want to move ahead and grow in your career, I have added a link in the description box below. You can check that out. It's just will take you 10 minutes of your day, but it will definitely give you a lot of edge from all those people who are your peers. And check the learning path and see if that suits your personality, if that suits yours, because it definitely suits mine, and I make smaller goals and it make me feel very, very happy. And I always cross it whenever I complete certain tasks, and this is how I am, and it definitely fits me. And yeah, if you find this video useful, please give a like, share and a comment to this video. It will help me grow in my career as well, and it will help me create more such videos, because it definitely takes a lot of time to create content for you guys. And yeah, if you have any query, suggestion or doubt, you can write in the comment section below. I would highly appreciate your time in writing such comment. If you still feel overwhelmed with AI, go with the Coursiv platform. I have already given the link in the description box below. Bye bye for now, until we meet next time.